Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can simply enable your two-step verification in your Gmail. And first of all, why we need to enable our two-step verification in Gmail? For first, if someone hack your Gmail account or Google account, you can easily recover this through two-step verification. And secondly, if someone know your password, they cannot use your Gmail account directly. So they need a Google code to enter your Gmail account. So guys, let's start this video how you can easily enable your two-step verification. For this, we need to go to our browser. So my guess, I use Google Chrome, and you need to sign in your browser with your Google account, which one you want to enable your two-step verification. In the right side of this corner, you can see an icon. From here, I just click, and now you can see the manage your Google account. From here, I just click on there, and now you need to go to the security section. Click on security. From here, you can see two-step verification. Our two-step verification is off. It's default. So we need to change this. Now you see the get started button from here. Now we need to give our password again. Always remember, give the same password. I just give my password. And now you can see you can use your device too. And now you can see the show more option. I just click on this. Now you see security key and text message or voice call. I choose the second one because it is the easiest way you can enable your two-step verification. I just click on this. Now you need to put your mobile number from here. I just give my mobile number from here. Now you can see there are two options, text message or phone calls. I just choose text message from here and click on next. Google will send you a code in your mobile. I just give my code. Now click on next. Now you can simply turn on this. Now guys, you can see this our two-step verification is on. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel and stay with us for more video.